if you decide that you're going to oil the exterior, do it well in advance of putting on new hemp, because you want to make sure that all the oil you put on absorbs, and then with that soft cloth you also want to take off any excess, because if you leave oil on there, then the hemp is going to slide sooner rather than later, okay, if it adheres at all. Okay, while I have the section of base drone off, I'll check the bore. It's always a good opportunity to clean your bores. Okay, I never oil my bores. It's probably a bad idea. If you should oil the bores, you're going to get a lot of condensation running down the inside and into your drones. Now that we use primarily synthetic drones, it's not as much of a problem, but it's still a problem. You know, synthetic drone or natural drone reeds are going to be affected by excess moisture. Okay, so now I have this clean and dry. Okay, so the way I start is with waxed black hemp. Okay. And you want to lay the body of the hemp lengthwise across the tie-in grooves, and then very carefully lay that hemp into the tie-in grooves. Okay, and I usually start with 2 wraps of the black hemp, okay, and pull it tight. You don't want to pull it so hard that you break it, but you want to be able to pull it tight, okay, so that it really is firmly against the wood. Okay, and then when I get to the top and I'm coming back again, I'll go down about 1/3 of the way or 1/4 of the way, and then I'll cut that black hemp after about 4 inches. That's when I start with the yellow hemp, and my preference is for unwaxed hemp. The reason being, I've been taught that the unwaxed hemp will conform to any variations in size. You know, in other words, especially on older pipes, sometimes your bores are not perfectly symmetrical. So the yellow hemp will conform to that if it's unwaxed.